friends, welcome to KidsJinia. Most of you are seeing our videos without subscribing our channel. The humble request to our viewers is please subscribe our channel and see our videos. The more subscriptions will motivate us. Thank you. Let's go to our today's video.
So that today we are going to see one-digit subtraction. What is subtraction, Siddharth? And also what are the symbols we need to use for subtraction?
Mom, subtraction means taking things away from the available collection, and minus sign is used for subtraction, and equal to sign is used for writing the answer, and equal to sign represents the both sides are equal.
Wow, super, Siddharth. Can you please explain with examples?
Yes, Mom, I will explain in detail with examples.
Fine, Siddharth. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. I have 2 Easter egg chocolates with me. I have given 1 chocolate to my brother. Now, how many chocolates are left with me? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yes, I have 1 chocolate with me. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. My dad bought 4 ice creams for us. On day 1, we have eaten 2 of it. 1, 2. Now, how many ice creams left for day 2? 4 minus 2 is equal to 1, 2. Yes, 2 ice creams are left for us. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Friends, my mom gave 4 eggs to store it inside the fridge. You know what happened? On the way, I have missed out 1 of the eggs from my hand and it is broken. We can't use it again, right? So, out of 4 eggs, 1 is broken. Now, how many eggs are left? 4 minus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 eggs are left. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Myself and my brother were playing with 8 colorful balloons. But while playing, 2 balloons were bursted. 1, 2. Now how many balloons are left for us to play? 8 minus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 balloons are left for us. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. I have invited 10 friends for my birthday party. I have bought 10 birthday hats for them. But out of 10, only 6 friends can able to attend the party. So I have given 6 hats to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many hats are remaining with me? 10 minus 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 hats are remaining with me. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. This is how we do subtraction, Mom.
Very good example, Siddharth. You did great. But don't leave now, Siddharth. I have one surprising game for you. This is level 1. See, here are 5 paper cups on the table and balls to strike the cups. I give you 3 chances. On each chance, let us see how many cups are down and how many are left. Does it sound interesting?
Yes, Mom, I like the game very much.
Okay, Siddharth, start the game.
Yes, Mom. In level 1, out of 5 cups, 2 cups are down. 1, 2. So the question is 5 minus 2 is equal to, shall we count the number of cups which are not fallen down? Okay. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Here, out of 5 cups, 1 cup is down. So the question is 5 minus 1 is equal to, shall we count the number of cups which are not fallen down? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the answer is 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here, out of 5 cups, no cups are down. So the question is 5 minus 0 is equal to, shall we count the number of cups which are not fallen down? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. If no cups are fallen down, then the total cups available for the game is the answer. The answer is 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5.
This is level 2, Siddharth. Now there are 10 cups. The same 3 chances. Come on, strike the balls.
In level 2, out of 10 cups, 1 cup is down. So the question is 10 minus 1 is equal to, shall we count the number of cups which are not fallen down? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here, out of 10 cups, 2 cups are down. 1, 2. So the question is 10 minus 2 is equal to, shall we count the number of cups which are not fallen down? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Here, out of 10 cups, 5 cups are down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the question is 10 minus 5 is equal to, shall we count the number of cups which are not fallen down? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Friends, did you enjoy the game? Thank you. Bye-bye. Have fun at home. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.